Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video unboxing for you. I finally got my first statue from Prime One Studio. This is a half-scale Wonder Woman from the Batman vs Superman line. I live in New Zealand, and for me the better way to make an order not from the Sideshow, which is well-known retailer of these statues, but directly from the Prime One Studio. I put her on 7 months plan on February this year. I think it's a really nice option for those who can't pay the whole price at once. As you know, the price tag is quite high. Finally she's here, and my number is 547 out of 750. Statue comes in 2 boxes and total weight is 31 kilos. It's very well packed. Also, I got a small present from the Prime One. It's a Batman boomerang and it's made of metal. In first box we can find the base. All 3 statues from this line, Batman, Superman and Wonder Woman, have the same style bases. They all come with the lightnings, which works from the batteries. For this option you'll need the C battery. Also inside the box I found the instruction how to assemble the statue and a very nice 2018 catalog of Prime One products. Let's check the statue itself. Hope it's not damaged. It's made of polystone and I'm in love with the face sculpt. As I know, the first show and statue prototype was absolutely different and I think it didn't look like Gal Gadot. Very happy that they can fix it, and now we can have the perfect Wonder Woman. This Wonder Woman is the largest piece in my collection and I'm really excited right now. I adore her real eyelashes and hair. It looks fantastic. The skin tone also so amazing. Looks so real. You even can see the veins. I had some problems with her belt, which is fragile and need to put on with the lasso at the same time. The belt made of the real leather. Her sword made of real metal and it's really heavy. I like the battle damage effect on her shield, sword and the clothing itself. I can say this is a gorgeous piece and I'm really happy to have this statue, super limited statue, in my collection. Again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and see you soon. Bye.